Introduce highlight features and quick overview of AuldHome Dryer Sheet Dispenser. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Vintage storage. Convenient fabric softener sheet dispenser that gives a retro farmhouse feel. Magnetic holder. Can be wall mounted or affixed to side or front of dryer for vertical mounting. Size. Exterior 7.5 inches tall by 5.25 inches wide by 3.25 inches front to back, dispenser slot 1 inch wide. Interior 7.4 x 5.2 x 3.3 front to back. Color. White cool undertones with black script and distressed features. Material, enamel coating over galvanized steel. AuldHome laundry room decor. Mix and match with our lint bin, laundry powder bin and things caddy all is distressed white enamelware. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.